7 Easy Fixes for Snoring. You may be among the 45% of normal adults who snore at least occasionally, or you likely know someone who does. He or she may be the brunt of jokes at family gatherings, but snoring is serious business. For one, a snoring spouse often keeps the other person from a good night's sleep, which can eventually lead to separate bedrooms. Snoring can create real problems in a marriage. Instead, try these natural solutions and lifestyle changes, which may help you stop snoring. 1. Change your sleep position. Lying on your back makes the base of your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing a vibrating sound during sleep. Sleeping on your side may help prevent this. A body pillow, a full-length pillow that supports your entire body, provides an easy fix, Slaughter says. It enables you to maintain sleeping on your side and can make a dramatic difference. 2. Lose weight. Weight loss helps some people but not everyone. Thin people snore too. If you've gained weight and started snoring and did not snore before you gained weight, weight loss may help. If you gain weight around your neck, it squeezes the internal diameter of the throat, making it more likely to collapse during sleep, triggering snoring. 3. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol and sedatives reduce the resting tone of the muscles in the back of your throat, making it more likely you'll snore. Drinking alcohol 4 to 5 hours before sleeping makes snoring worse, Chakravarti says. People who don't normally snore will snore after drinking alcohol. 4. Practice good sleep hygiene. Poor sleep habits, also known as poor sleep hygiene, can have an effect similar to that of drinking alcohol. Working long hours without enough sleep, for example, means when you finally hit the sack you're overtired. You sleep hard and deep, and the muscles become floppier, which creates snoring. 5. Open nasal passages. If snoring starts in your nose, keeping nasal passages open may help. It allows air to move through slower. Imagine a narrow garden hose with water running through. The narrower the hose, the faster the water rushes through. Your nasal passages work similarly. If your nose is clogged or narrowed due to a cold or other blockage, the fast-moving air is more likely to produce snoring. 6. Change your pillows. Allergens in your bedroom and in your pillow may contribute to snoring. When did you last dust the overhead ceiling fan? Replace your pillows? Beware before spending money on special pillows designed to prevent snoring. They may work if it props up your head, which fixes nasal issues, but can cause neck pain. 7. Stay well hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids. Secretions in your nose and soft palate become stickier when you're dehydrated. This can create more snoring. According to the Institute of Medicine, healthy women should have about 11 cups of total water, from all drinks and food, a day. Men require about 16 cups. Overall, get enough sleep, sleep on your side, avoid alcohol before bedtime and take a hot shower if nasal passages are clogged, Slaughter says. These simple practices can make a huge difference in reducing snoring. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more exciting video, subscribe to the channel.